This video is designed to introduce you to the learner management system that will be used in the DriveWise Self-Paced SafeStart course. Log into the LMS, using the credentials that were sent to you from DriveWise. Please note, you may only have one session at a time. Logging in will end any other logged in sessions. After you have logged in, you will be asked a security question and be required to change your password. Your password must contain upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and punctuation characters. Once you have successfully logged in, click on My Training to access the online learning modules. To access the learning modules, click on the black down arrow. This will show you the list of learning modules you are enrolled in. To launch the module, click on the green play button. Complete the online learning modules in the order in which they appear in your training. The status of each learning module will change as you work your way through the lessons. If you close a module without completing it, the status will read incomplete. You can resume the module where you left off when you return to the module. When you first logged onto the LMS, you were instructed to change your password. Remember the password. If you do forget it, contact your local DriveWise center to reset your password. Throughout the training, you will be asked to answer security questions. You will only have 3 attempts to authenticate your account. If you incorrectly write your password and/or security question 3 times, you will be required to contact your local DriveWise center to reset your password. The LMS will prompt you to take breaks. You cannot resume the online learning module until the allotted break time is finished, and the screen prompt has disappeared. You can only do a maximum of 5 hours of online learning per day. You can resume where you left off when you return the next day. Next, we will review the player navigation. The player controls are located at the bottom of the slide. There you will find the buttons for the volume controls, play and pause button, and the seek bar. You can move the seek bar only once the slide has completed. You can click the back button to return to a previous slide. When the slide completes, click Next to move to the next slide. You must remain on the slide for the entire duration. The next button remains inactive until you have completed the slide. Some slides have tab interactions. This is an example of one. You must click and view all tabs before you can proceed. The player tabs at the top of the player are meant to aid you in your learning. We will begin with the top left corner of the player. Click on the tab. In this section, you will find the transcript for the slide. You will also see a tab titled Glossary. Click on it. There you will find a list of terms used throughout the course. This is available to you in each module. To close the glossary or transcript, click on the tab in the top left corner again. In the top right side of the player, you will find a Help button. When you click on it, a lightbox slide will appear. It will provide you with the link to find your local center's contact information. If you require technical support, such as login failures, service support, such as any complaints or concerns, or content support, please contact your local DriveWise center. You can also submit a ticket through the LMS. To do this, exit the learning module. Then, click on Help in the top ribbon. Click on the X in the top right corner to close the Help slide. There are different types of activities you will complete throughout the online learning modules. There are drop-down matching activities. To complete the activity, click on the drop-down menu to match the left side to the right side. The answers can only be used once. When the seek bar finishes, press Submit. There are written response questions throughout the online modules. To answer, type your answer in the box. When the seek bar finishes, press Submit. Most of the assessments consists of multiple choice type questions, where there is only one correct answer. When completing the quizzes, answer all of the questions. Press Submit when the seek bar finishes. Once you have finished the quiz, you can review the incorrect answer. Click on Review. To navigate through the assessment review slides, click on the player navigation controls. What do you do once you have completed the online portion of the course? If you are successful, you will attend the in-class portion of the course. If you are unsuccessful, you will need to review the content and retake the quizzes you were unsuccessful with.